Hi everybody, good afternoon. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for you. I'm not doing any quilting today. And actually I won't be doing any quilting for the next little while. Few things that are going on. As you know, good news, our number 9 son Niles just had his new little baby Hampton Rose. She's just lovely. She was 5 pounds. She's a little bit less. We went to see her yesterday. She's 4 pounds. Tiny little, perfectly lovely little baby. Premature, but she was allowed home because everything was fine. She's just tiny. Quite a lot of you have given us congratulations to Niles and his wife Allie, who is doing wonderful. Both of them are stepping up to the plate, being excellent parents. It's just so lovely to see. We went to visit him yesterday, and for the first time, Maxwell was holding his little niece. That's number 20, as you know, our 20th grandchild. And maybe as I speak, our number 7 son Francois and his wife Brianna, who are expecting their second child, a little baby boy Beckham. She may be in labor right now. Things are happening slowly, but I will let you know not if, obviously it's going to happen when that happens, when baby Beckham makes his appearance. He's not due till the 6th, but who knows? I'm filming this now on March the 2nd. And this is just an FYI. Those of you who have been following along with my channel, let me just put that over there, have known that about 2 years ago, actually on, is it January the 3rd, 2023, my husband Ian and our son Maxwell were in a car accident. They were rear-ended from behind, and then that shunted Ian's vehicle to hit the car in front of him. So Ian and Maxwell and our car that we had just had for 7 weeks, which was totaled, was sandwiched in between the two vehicles, having been really hit 35 miles an hour from behind. The initial injuries, neck, back, were taken care of. But unfortunately, for both my husband and Maxwell, our son, there have been some ongoing injuries of a personal nature, extremely personal, and not getting any better. So Maxwell is having to have a surgery for these issues, and that is this coming Tuesday. We've been trying to, or they have been trying to live with these things. Again, coincidentally, Ian is suffering the same injuries. However, because of his advanced age, it's recommended that he not have a fairly serious surgery, but Maxwell is. So I suppose what I'm asking for right now is, because they have helped all of your prayers and all of your concern to our Maxwell. Maxwell is autistic, and as you know, has epilepsy, and the days and the weeks coming up to this surgery are proving extremely stressful for him. We were just at our congregation meeting, where we have a public back and forth question discussion, and he actually has the microphones to be able to put to the people who answer. We just had to leave because he was totally overwhelmed, and it's stressing him out. We're trying to be calm and trying to pray for peace and for calm. Everything will be okay. He's under a very good care with a surgeon. Everybody knows what's to go on, but it is, as I say, a fairly serious issue, and one that could be a cause for concern, but it's not. But I obviously have things going on, babies and operations, and oh my word, my nerves. But it's all okay. It's going to be fine. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm not in my sewing room. You obviously will know that. The recovery for Maxwell the doctor said can be a little bit tough. So we will see day by day how he gets on. He's a big strapping 25-year-old man, but it's something to be concerned about. I just wanted to share that with my friends out there in YouTube land, because I know that you have followed our true love journey. This is just yet another story. It'll be fine. It'll be wonderful. Maxwell will be back laughing, but right for now, it's our goal to keep him calm, to keep ourselves calm, and yeah, concentrate on the good, thinking about Brianna and Francois at this time. And again, when that happens, I will share baby number 21 grandchild with you folks, which is all lovely news. Again, Hampton Rose is just beautiful, and everybody's fine in that case. And yeah, just wanted to let you know, because you're all my friends and I appreciate it. We all appreciate it. Yeah, just keep Maxwell in your thoughts and your prayers. Thank you so very much, everybody. Love from the True Loves. Take care.